Hello, I'm Matteo, the Chief Mobile Opinionist at the Tech Travel Geeks, and this is the unboxing and then subsequent review of the TENVIS webcam, a webcam that promises decent quality video and good quality audio. If you don't already, please do subscribe to the Tech Travel Geeks here on YouTube. Right then, thanks to TENVIS for sending us this review unit of the TENVIS webcam. The model number is the TW888. This arrived via courier, and we're now going to unbox it and show you what the contents of the box are. And then what we're going to do is set it up on the Honor MagicBook 15 and give you some first impressions and sample videos of what the content looks like. Right then, the box is nice and simple, very sustainable. And as you can see, there's also a nice quick start guide, which is very clear on how simple it is to set up. The fact that it has a 1080p webcam sensor and a wide angle lens, which is handy if you're going to have more than one person in the picture. There's a microphone and a noise cancellation microphone, as well as an activity light and power light. And it connects using USB to your computer. Now, let's have a look at what's in the bag. So the bag itself has the webcam, and this is what it looks like. It has HD 1080p on one side and TENVIS on the other. And the USB cable is a standard USB Type A cable. So great, most machines have that. And in the box you also get this. This is a small tripod that you can use to mount this on a surface. So for example, the bit that usually goes at the back of your laptop screen or your computer screen that clips on also has little screw element, so you can screw in your little tripod and position the webcam in an appropriate place. So this is great for those of you who have maybe a desktop under their desk or have a computer on a stand to the side. This is a really handy little solution for that issue. But the part here tells you at the bottom that this is 5 volt 500 milliamp connection is required. So it's not one of the passive USB ports. You need to have an active one that outputs power, and the model number, which we said is the TW888. So first impressions of the hardware are positive, but this is a webcam. So what we're going to do is connect it to a machine, give you some actual review impressions and a sample video of the webcam in action, both with external sound such as my professional microphone and with the inbuilt microphone. So this concludes this bit of the video. Please stay tuned, keep on watching for the next section where we'll be providing you with the sample footage. Hello there, I'm back, and this is a sample video recorded on the TENVIS webcam using the inbuilt microphone. So it's a full high definition image, it's pretty clear to me on the screen of my laptop, and it looks nice and clear. Color saturation is decent, if not a bit muted, and I will have to see what the sound sounds like from the inbuilt microphone. But as far as the webcam goes, it feels quite good, and it looks decent as well. Right then, we'll be back with my final verdict in a few minutes, but for now, thanks for watching, and stay tuned for the next little segment of this review video. So, let's come to the conclusion of this review of the TENVIS HD 1080p camera. It's a great camera, as long as that's what you're doing with it. As you notice from the sample video that I've just finished reviewing, the microphone picks up the background noise of the fan of my laptop, which is doing the recording of this session. And whilst the camera is great, the microphone isn't. The camera I'm very happy with. The color saturation isn't too bad when reviewing the video on another screen. The detail it picks up is very good. Unlike other cameras that declare to be 1080, this seems to be a really good one, with a significantly improved lens compared to other third-party webcams you can purchase. and value for money, it delivers quite a lot. So overall, really positive review of the TENVIS 1080p camera. Just bear in mind that the microphone may not be as good as you might expect. We'll pop links in the description to more information on the webcam and where to purchase it. We will also be including this in our upcoming review of the Honor Magic Book 15, which we're reviewing this with. In the case of the Honor Magic Book 15, the TENVIS webcam was a really good accessory because of the positioning of the webcam on the Honor Magic Book 15. But subscribe to the Tech Travel Geeks and you'll have a chance to find out how that worked out in the dedicated Honor Magic Book 15 video. For now, thanks for watching, and if you don't already, please do subscribe to us. If you'd like to ask us any further questions on the TENVIS 1080p webcam that we have just reviewed, we'll do our best to get back to you. Thanks for watching, and goodbye!